Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the California Contractors C-7 low voltage systems license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-7 license? A C-7 license is issued to a contractor who installs, services, and maintains all types of communication and low voltage systems. Now, there are some basic requirements. You have to be over the age of 18, have a valid driver's license and social security card. There are some experience requirements as well, such as having 4 years of full-time experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience. Let's take a look at what to expect during the exam. It is closed book, so there are no reference materials allowed in the testing facility. The questions are formatted as multiple choice. There are some mathematical computations, and a calculator will be provided. The testing is done on site and on computer, and the results are immediate. The exam is broken down into 7 major sections. Let's take a look at those sections. Job planning and design is about 19% of the exam. Material selection and estimation is about 18%. Wire cable installation and termination is 11%. Systems configuration and installation is 15%. Testing and project closeout is roughly 12%. System troubleshooting and or repair or replacement is about 8% of the exam. And finally, safety is about 17% of the exam. Let's take a look at a couple sample questions. A low voltage contractor needs to wire 25 offices with Cat6 voice and data. The distance between the IT room and the offices is an average of 250 feet. How many 1,000-foot boxes of cable will the contractor need? D, 13. Which wire should be used to cross-connect a standard telephone connection? If you pick D, 24 AWG solid, that is correct. What type of jack should be used on a Cat6 cable installation? A, RJ45. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractor State License Board provides you with resources to study for the exam? Now, most of those licenses have anywhere between 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. So what we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs, and just as important as condensing those, we categorize them, so in the end we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor's License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You will receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You also receive online access to practice exams with the traditional formatting questions of multiple choice, the ABCD questions, and flashcards. And you can take the practice test as many times as needed. Now, you also have the option to add on lectures, and we really recommend this. It gives you that classroom-like experience, and it correlates with the content in the study guide. Those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen, and those lectures are available on online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.